Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. Today I'll discuss IELTS speaking. That's why I create a playlist where I discuss IELTS speaking part 1, part 2, part 3, and every part topic, all topic, and with every question and answer. So let's go started. Today I discuss weather related all question and explain some questions answer. Our first question is, what's the weather in your country? Answer: the weather in my country is pretty nice. We use pretty. This is a linking word as our score will be high. Then we say we have a mild climate, so it's never boiling hot in the summer or freezing cold in the winter. Number second question. Does the weather affect your mood? Yes. Always remember it. When you ask any question, do, does, did, this time you answer start is yes or no. Besides, if the question start WH or how, then you can start it. Not needed yes or no. But always remember it. Do, does, did. If the question start do, does, did, then you can use yes or no. Okay. This question answer yes. Cold, gloomy days put me in a bad mood. I love summertime when it's warm and sunny. Number three question. Do you like rainy days? Yes, absolutely. You can use absolutely linking word. You can use obviously. Then said, I like when it rains. I love all the freshness around the cold breeze after a heavy rain. It's wonderful. Number four question. What is your favorite season? Oil. You start oil. Yeah, okay. Then you can say, I think it's spring. Here you can see, if you are answer, my favorite season is spring, winter. It's okay, but when you use oil, I think it's spring. Then it's big. It affect your band score. Your band score will be high. Okay, that's why always try to use new linking word. I think it's spring. The weather is very pleasant and it's nice to see everything come back to life and blossom. Number five question. Do you like winters? Then you use no or yes. No, not really. Not really. Another linking word. For me, winter is the most depressing season because where I live, it's freezing cold in the winter. Moreover, the days are short and you cannot do a lot of outdoor activities. That's all. Now I am warning you. Please always remember it. Part 1 time is 4 to 5 minutes and the examiner question you for 8 to 9 question ask you. That's why don't long sentence uses. Uh, I mean, always try to 2 to 3 sentence cover your answer. Don't use more than 3. Now I say you some question weather related. I complete 5 question, and here you can see 5 question. What's the weather like today? Do you like the weather in your country? Is the weather the same in all parts of your country? Does the weather even if affect the way you feel? Previously use in your feelings. Here you can see other question. Does the weather ever affect the way you feel? Does the weather in your country ever affect transportation? Here you can see the question answer is the same. Does the weather ever affect the way you feel? And previous question is, does the weather affect your mood? This question are and this question will be said the same. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy this video, please like. If you have any question, comment below and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.